Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So first of all, back up your data. Just go to your files and store the files that you have locally stored on your computer, either in Google Drive folder or in the external SSD that you have to connect to your device separately. Once you're done, you have to open the control center, go to settings by clicking the gear icon. Then scroll down to system preferences, and here you're gonna have to scroll all the way down until you find Powerwash option. You have to click reset next to it and then click restart to confirm. The factory reset operation will most probably take around a minute. Okay, now we're gonna have to confirm our choice by clicking Powerwash and clicking continue. And then let's wait. And that's it. The factory reset operation is finished. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.